How to cancel a scheduled payment in Fifth Third Bank. First of all, log into your Fifth Third Bank online account at 53.com using your user ID and password. Once logged in, go to the main menu and select the Transfer and Pay section. Next, find and click on Scheduled Payments or Payment History to see your upcoming payments. Look for the payment you want to cancel from the list of scheduled transactions. Select the payment and review the details to make sure it's the correct one. Then, choose the Cancel or Delete option to stop the payment from being processed. Confirm your cancellation when prompted to finalize the process. You will receive a confirmation message or email that the scheduled payment has been successfully cancelled. And that's it. Now you know how to cancel a scheduled payment in Fifth Third Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.